If you're tired of paying over $200 to get your hair retwisted, then watch this video till the end. I'm going to show you how to redo it at home by yourself. The first thing you're going to want to do is start with freshly washed hair. I did wash my hair off camera. And you're going to need these 3 items: just a comb, a good retwist gel, clips, a ponytail holder, and a mirror. If you don't have like a good mirror, like a 3-way mirror, and you want to do it in your room, you could also just go ahead and like mirror your phone or your camera to another device, and you can see that way. That's what I did. I had used my Osmo Pro and I mirrored it to my cell phone, but you can still do it if you have like an iPad or iPhone or something and mirrored it to the TV. And then next we're going to start by doing the raking method. That's just where you comb some of the hair going up and comb some of the hair going down. That way that you can find your part. Because if you're like me and somebody started your dreads, then that will help you. And I noticed that's what she was doing on my head, so it worked pretty well for me. Then you're just going to clip the rest of the hair off to the side. Make sure you got a ponytail holder so you can separate the hair, because it's going to be way easier for you. Get your gel, put it on each side of the part, the top, the bottom, and the side, so that you get it as slick as possible. And then you're going to take your comb and you're going to retwist your locks to the right. People be saying like counterclockwise and stuff like that. If you don't know what clockwise is, this is the best way for you. Just retwist it to the right, or however you retwisted it in the first place. But 9 times out of 10, you should have retwisted your hair to the right. And you just take it with the comb and you keep twisting and twisting until you can't twist anymore. That's what I did, and it works pretty well. It makes sure that the locks are tight. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. You just keep retwisting and twisting and twisting until it locks onto itself, because we're just training our hair to lock, basically. Then what I do is I finish it off with a palm roll just to keep it kind of flat. Now, if you don't want your locks flat, then don't palm roll. Simple as that. Don't do it. To palm roll, all you do is take the lock in your hand and you just rub them together. That's like the simplest way that I can describe it. And then for my clip method, I just try to clip it a little bit up underneath the root. And that's what I do. I add more hair pieces to the clips as I go as well. But if you guys have any questions, just comment below. I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of the video and try to catch on if you guys are just more of a visual learner. The products will be linked in my Amazon storefront at the bottom in the description. So without further ado, I'm just let you guys watch the rest of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.